Hi everyone, here we've got ASUS Zenfone 7 Pro, and let me show you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So first of all, we have to find and open the settings, and now let's tap on apps and notifications. Here we have to tap on special app access, and now let's find install unknown apps, which is right here. And as you can see here, we've got the list of apps which are allowed or not allowed to install anything. If you want to change it, for example, if you want to allow the Gmail to install some content, simply tap on it and tap on this switcher right here. Let's get back. And as you can see, it immediately changes, so it means that from now on you will be able to install some content from the Gmail. Of course, if you'd like to turn it off, just find the app, tap on the switcher again, and from now on the Gmail is not allowed to install anything. So actually that's all. This is how to allow unknown sources in your ASUS Zenfone 7 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.